Man, thanks for delivering that. Take care. Happy New Year. Take care. Man, I'm hoping this is my crash bars right here. I hope. It's siding. Let's look and see. Come on. Let's see. We ready? Dun 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 dun. Oh, nothing. Yep, it's them though. They're wrapped up in here. There it is. Yep, that was my crash bars right there. Excited to put these on. So now I know what I'm gonna be doing. Well, my crash bars come in, and I'm excited to put them on here right now. My buddy Cap's hanging out here with me. I ordered this kit online. I'll show a link to it of where I bought it. Bought this particular kit on Lazada, and I'll put a link anyway if you're in the Philippines or somewhere in Asia, because Lazada's in several countries. They're out of Singapore, but I don't know if you can find this on some of the other sites or not, but I'll share what I have. Anyway, we're gonna get busy and put this on here. It's gonna attach right up in here, right down here. It's gonna clamp around the frame right here. And so we've got spacers, we got some long bolts, we got several pieces of hardware to change to start out putting the lower engine guard on before we put the upper on the crash guard. Alright, I'm gonna give it a pop, okay, Cap? Okay. Right there. Yes, sir. So this is the main motor mount bolt right up here in the front, and it actually supports some other things up here also. It's got a couple braces that come up, so I'm going to be sure and keep this bolt in case I ever want to restore the bike back like it was or damage that guard and need to remove it. So these need to be put away in a safe place. Maybe if you got a place you're keeping some of your books or anything like that, plastic bag, put them down in it, wrap them, mark them what they are. One of those on each side, come up right there at the top.
Over at it, I got this tool.
Yeah,
do the other side.
Got the long one also.
Those spacers are already in.
You already slid it in there?
They're just sitting there though.
Okay. Right there. There goes the bottom one.
Okay. Now is there a washer that goes on this?
On
the nut side?
Here's the nut, yeah, and the washer. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna get it all lined and then just snug it all at the same time. Just leave everything loose so it's all in place. Rip that chip. I got hard times. I got a clutch cable right here.
Me too.
I think I finally just got it. Alright. This is not the actual Allen, but it'll fit in there to turn it. Then I've got the Allen over here, because that's easier to deal with. I didn't tighten mine yet, Cat. Until we tighten the engine bolts too. That way everything can line up. Just leave it loose like that. That'll work. That's enough. And then we'll get those engine bolts. So first try the 17. Good. So the 17. All right, let me get a 17 also then, and a 3/8 drive if I have. All right, you ready to crank her down? Okay. We'll do a little bit more short.
That was that Allen head that you have.
Yeah, but it's hard to get back in there to it. I'll see if I got anything that's a Allen for that size. Yep. Yep.
For those.
Yeah. Maybe a little small Allen to get up in there. Shifted here or something. You still got this? There was a socket that I was waiting for to do this bottom one down here. No, the bigger one, is this it down here? No.
I didn't have it.
You did this up here though, right?
Yeah.
Maybe it was one of these.
Did you get that tight?
Yes, yes. Here, yep, I like it. Looks good. I like it. See how it looks down from the front. Well, it definitely gives it a wider looking stance in the front end now, for sure. So KTM, if you go to their website, they have their own lineup accessories for this bike, and you can buy everything. You can buy these plastics as a color change kit and swap them out. They sell this front fender. They sell the high dirt bike style fender, a kit directly from KTM for it. So there is a fender kit to raise that up and give it a regular, like motocross style fender. All kinds of stuff. They had all kinds of accessories if you want to go to KTM and end up spending about twice the money on the bike as you gave for it. Buying 10 million accessories. Like KTM had their own tank bag. But man, it was like 3 times the price, you know? And it wasn't as nice. It had less features for more money with KTM's name on it. So a lot of the chatter in my video when I told about buying this bike and showed it in the first video, everybody's main topic was, It can't go on the expressways. It can't go on the expressways. It's got to be 400cc. It cannot go on the expressways because it's a 390. One guy even said, you know, if that was just a little bigger than a 400, I would buy it. And others try to tell that yes, it can go, and that it's registered as a 400. But I want to show you something here. Even though it shows 390 on the plastic right here, this is the factory sticker. You see this KTM Adventure Displacement 400cc right there on the frame. There you go. So that should end that argument right there. And it is allowed on expressway, and it's not just a regular little 390 or whatever either. It is a ripping little motor for that size single cylinder engine. How they got their foothold was building a badass little motocross bike that was usually way more powerful than the competition, and they scratched and clawed their way into the market against Yamaha and Honda and Suzuki, and they made their way, and they got right in there and found their place with all the Japanese bikes. And that's what they're known for, is turning out a lot of power out of small motors.